Hello friends, welcome to this video. We are going to discuss auto boxing and auto unboxing. So auto boxing means automatic conversion of primitive type to their corresponding wrapper class. Okay. So what does it mean? So conversion of primitive type to its corresponding wrapper class. Okay. So here I have written a small program for explaining auto boxing. Okay. So here you can see I have declared a variable x of int type and I have assigned 23 into it. Okay. In the next line I am assigning the value of x to the variable y. Okay. Now if you notice the variable y is of integer type. Okay. The wrapper class integer. So here we are trying to assign a primitive type into a class type. So this conversion will happen automatically. The primitive type will get converted to the corresponding wrapper class type. Okay. So int will be converted into integer. The next example is this one. We have got a primitive variable here. Okay. Of char type. It is storing a character, the asterisk character. In the next line I am trying to assign the value of ch1, okay, which is of primitive type, into a class type, that is character, in variable ch2. So this primitive type is automatically converted into the corresponding character type. Okay. Similarly, the last example is this one. I have declared a double value d1. Okay. So double with small d. So here this is a primitive type of variable d1. Okay. I am assigning, in the next line I am assigning this primitive type of variable into d2, which is of class type, okay, the wrapper class. So the corresponding wrapper class of double is this double with capital D. So this conversion happens automatically. So when you convert primitive type to the corresponding wrapper class type, that is known as auto boxing. Okay. So now I have simply printed the values of x and y, ch1 and ch2 and d1 and d2. So you'll get to see the same values for both the variables. Okay. Now let's see auto unboxing. Okay, so it is auto unboxing is just the opposite of auto boxing. When you convert a wrapper class object into the corresponding primitive type, then it is known as auto unboxing. So for example, I have written a function here, auto unboxing. Here you can see I have declared variable y, which is of class type, and then I am assigning that variable into a primitive type of variable. Okay. So here we are trying to assign a wrapper class object into a primitive variable. Okay. So this conversion will happen automatically. Okay. Whatever the value is here, that value will get assigned to the variable x. So this kind of conversion is known as auto unboxing. The next example is I have taken a character stored in a variable ch2 which is of character type, okay, class character type, and then in the next line I assign that ch2 to ch1 which is of primitive type. So here also auto unboxing is happening. So let's see the output of this also. There won't be any difference in the output. Okay, both the variables are displaying the same value. So I hope you have understood the meaning of auto boxing and auto unboxing. Thank you.